Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Collins Elementary School in Livingston, New Jersey. My first time getting to come here, home of the Cougars. Outside of the cafeteria right now, where we just had 2 morning assemblies for all the grades, K through 5. The topic today was bullying, look at the heart first. And this really ties into some of their core principles here at Collins, the 3 R's we have right here on the wall. Respect yourself, respect others, respect your school. And so their morning pledge that they always talk about, always recite, says that we take care of ourselves, we take care of each other, and we take care of this place. And to know that we have this power to hopefully, create the environment that we want to create by showing more kindness, showing more love, to know that at a young age that we can, if we want more kindness, we can show it, we can start doing that. That's a huge life lesson to already grasp. And so many of the students, so many of the staff, even the PTO members that were here today, they really took it to heart. A lot of great feedback, just saying that, what you shared today really touched our heart, that every person, every human being needs to hear this message, because it's one of love, of compassion, of empathy, of respect. And, to see so many young people picking up that torch and already wanting to be that change that we also talk about in today's program, that was very inspiring for me. And very encouraging that we know we can uplift or tear someone down in just 2 seconds. One word, one action, one heartbeat. That the peace sign, one finger is for yourself, but the other is for someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself. Hopefully by how you choose to treat them in a positive manner. But when you also think about this too, our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn this into this. Right? And the other reason that it's a peace sign is because it's the number 2, because in just that 2 seconds, what's bullying has to be repeated over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those 2 seconds, those one-time actions, can have the same effect, right? And to know that we have to be conscious of our decisions, of our actions. Even if we're having a bad day, we can still get past some of that pain, turn our pain into greatness. That's very important to understand. And I always talk about how hurt people hurt people. One of the biggest reasons I see why people bully and don't show that kindness and love, unfortunately. But if we can let that love fully enter our heart, fully penetrate here, then we can turn the hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. And there's always room for that love, no matter what we've gone through or will go through or, have gone through. No matter what we've gone through or are going through or will go through, we can always choose that peace. And it's something that, it's really easy once we are hurting to just kind of push ourselves away from everybody. But we know that we never have to go this alone. We have people here that care about all the students here, that want to see them safe, loved, and celebrated. And, the whole idea is that, they see them, all the adults around here, the staff, they see all the students as family, as like their own son or daughter. And to know that, they can really, like as their own children, and to know that, we have this supportive of a place to call home. That's such an amazing attribute to have for a school. As soon as you walk through these doors, it's a welcoming atmosphere. I felt the heart vibes, and I know some of the students felt that too today. And I always say, if something did touch your heart, that means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others. By also not just seeing people for their heart first, but this as well. All of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here, but we have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. This M stands for, like the front of my shirt, miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we have beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this concept, right? We have to really, truly believe this. And once we do, go out into this world and start helping others see that they're worth everything as well. So never forget that. You guys are all beautiful. You touch my heart. Keep shining your light. Keep sharing your hearts. Hope to see you all again in the near future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.